Yeah, we just got back from a trip up north. Found a nasty little screw stuck in. I undid it a couple of turns and it does leak. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to do something. This is in the corner of the tire. Generally, if you go to any of the places, they'll say throw it away. They're probably right. And I am going to order a new tire. But in the meantime, I'm going to see if I can take it off and patch it. Well, let's see if all these modifications I've made work. Here I've got the plastic spacer in. I had to put this on to make sure it grips the wheel so it's snug. I've got the plastic tool end. I'm going to start over here where the valve is. I have this position marked. It marks both the screw and the location where the tire is, so I can get it back on in the same position. Hopefully I won't have to check the balance. It's already kind of looped up. Let's see if I can get stuff in. I'm going to need something to stop that turn. See if this will hold. I think that's that plastic here breaking. That came off pretty easy, didn't it? Up. Okay, so I've got it up. I'm putting in the upper tire lever just to stop it turning. And away we go. And it's off. Oh, I like that. That's much better. Okay, so here's the head of that screw over here, and I'll go inside the tire, and there it is sticking through the inside. Yeah, that's a monster. So I'll get that out. It's a little bit into the sidewall. It'll be okay for short trips, but I want to make this my full-size spare from now on. We'll patch it. Well, that was a bit of a bugger to get out. I had to hammer it from the inside. It's got a left-hand thread this end and a right-hand thread this end. Okay, so I'm going to grind the ridges off with my Dremel. The hole is right there. So I'm going to use a patch. It's this size, not too big. So I need to grind off at least that area of all these funky ridges they put on the inside. I'm just roughing up the area around. Come on. Alright, so this is the patching compound I'm using. It says to put it on, work it in. Go bigger than the area to make sure we get it on there. Okay, this is working. And without touching that, we stick it on where the hole is. I believe the hole is right about there. working it from the center outwards. I can feel where the hole is, it's right there. So I do have it nicely over the hole. Squeeze any of the air bubbles out if there are any. And we just let it sit for a while. It's a contact adhesive, so it should set up pretty quickly. And I'm going to leave that plastic stuff on there. As a comparison, here is the other patch that comes in the radial patch kit, but I think this one's too big. I think it would want to come off. It's just got too much bend in it. This one is a little flatter. I think it's got a better chance of working. Of course, this is a highly flexed area of the tire, which is why they say don't attempt a repair here. But that's why I want to keep this as a spare tire. It's only got 1,500 miles on it. It's brand new. There it goes. That's the way to do it. Okay, so this is going to be my first outing, trying to use this to get the tyre to fit. I've got this on here. Hopefully it's going to stop it twisting in my hand, like it has done in all previous efforts of trying to use this thing. What I've got to do is fit it on properly somehow. I think I need to lift this time. Unfortunately, I had to have my clamp down. I'm going to have to fix that clamp device of mine. Okay, so it's got to go in there. So I'm going to pull that up and over it, like that. And I'm supposed to get it going around like this. Oh, damn, let it go. Sorry, I'm in the way now. Come on. Right, little bugger. Make sure it's on the drop center. It's not exactly where I wanted it to be. Oh, it's turning it too. So close to working. So close. Add a bit more lube. I don't think this is designed properly. Yeah, breaking the wood. It's too much. I'll finish it with tyre levers and I'll have to get the line marked back up again. Okay, see if we can get this on the old-fashioned way. Hold it with knees. I think I'm going to get one of those plastic tyre clamp things. Stay. This side. And it's on. Okay, so I've shown all the other details in other videos, so reference those in the text underneath. And I'm going to finish this one here. I've just got to lube it up just a little bit more, pump it up on the beads, get it up to 35 psi and I'm done. So thanks for watching.